Hi everybody, this is a quick guide on how to start using AI retouching machine Aerums. Go to Retouch For Me website. Select Aerums. Hit the most noticeable button and enter your personal account. Here you can download versions for Mac and Windows. Ignore annoying warnings during installation. Log in with your email and password from personal account on Retouch For Me. Import your first project into Aerums. Hit the plus button or drag and drop any number of photos or folders. Give it a name. Set up options for easy culling and sorting. Go to Options. Turn on automatic image tagging and face searching. The plugins can be updated and activated from the plugins list you see here. Now subscribe and let's start using AI to filter the photos. Here you can play with the Group Similar function. This can be useful to select the best shot in a series. Traditional sorting is here too. Face previews and AI tags. Here is Faces magnification, useful for quick screening. And these tags are what the AI has pulled from analyzing the photos. Tags can be used in any combination for sorting. All features shown up to this point are completely free. Cloud and local retouching. Here you can see your cloud retouch balance and the button to refill it. Cloud retouching is great for those who don't need to retouch a large quantity of images, or who work at a slower computer but with fast internet. Whereas the local plugins are best for those who process photos often and in larger quantities. This is how you can customize each plugin before you run the export. Select the plugins you need for this project. Pre-render and blending adjustment. Pre-render allows you to see the result of running all of the plugins before you run the export. Also, here it's easy to adjust the blending of all plugins at once. By moving the sliders here, you can instantly see the result. While using cloud retouching, since the image is sent to the server for processing, 1 credit is deducted for each pre-render run, just like for retouching. Once you've checked this pre-rendering on a few photos, you can start processing the entire photo shoot. Exporting the retouched files is simple. Here's how. Select the files to export, folder, and format. If files are in different folders, all relative paths will be preserved. If you need to retouch the files further in Photoshop, try Layered TIFF. If not, simply adjust JPEG quality. Here is the export progress. You can queue several export tasks without waiting for the previous ones to finish. That's it. Just like that, the AI takes over the job of the retoucher. For a quick start, you can opt for the Cloud Retouching subscription from 6 cents for 1 retouch. or choose one of the retouch packs. The first 20 retouches are free. And if you retouch a lot, buy the Perpetual license and enjoy unlimited retouching on your computer offline. Try Aerums, the retouching machine.